Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, my mom is going to show us how she makes a fish curry at home, also known as fish no patio, and it's so delicious. So let's get cooking. So Mom, here I've got 4 fillets of cod, so 600 grams of fish. There's 4 of us eating, so I think like 4 fillets like this size is good for 4 people.
We can make it pieces?
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to cut this up, yeah? Yeah. That big?
Yeah.
So then this one will be 3 pieces, yeah?
Yeah. Because it's big.
Yeah, so it's about 1.5 to 2 inches big. Yeah. This one probably 2. Yeah. Okay.
When we're going to wash, then you can put half a spoon of salt and then leave it for 2-3 minutes and then take it out.
Oh,
so like clean properly.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right, good. So I've got the fish here. I'm going to put some salt on it and then we rinse the salt off. No, we wash it off. No?
Yeah.
Okay. Just make sure it's on both sides.
Yeah. My fish woman says always put salt when you start fishing,
cleaning fish. Okay. Yeah. Your fish woman?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Kala.
Oh, in India?
In India, yeah.
Ah.
See?
It is so cool in India. They come to the door with fresh fish on ice and you can just pick out the fish that you want, and sometimes she even brings cooked fish for my mom. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She always bring the cooking ready. But when I was buying the fish from her, she always put little salt and leave it and then wash it.
Okay.
It's very good.
Okay, it cleans it up.
Cleans it properly.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to rinse this in a minute.
Yeah.
All right, so I've got 5 large cloves of garlic here that we're going to crush up, and I've got 4 small green chilies, and I've only got 4 because they're very hot and we don't eat too spicy. I've also got a 400-gram tin of tomatoes that I'm going to crush.
Yeah.
What else do I need? Tomato paste.
Tomato puri.
Yep. And
tomato puri.
And then dry masala.
Dry
right?
masala, yeah.
Okay, very good. So I'm going to crush this up. Okay, I'll do it, Mom. So I've got this hand chopper and I'm just going to chop up the garlic and the chilies in here. Now if you have a blender that you can just chop up a few garlic cloves in there, you can totally use that, but mine's a little bit larger than 5 garlic cloves, so I'm doing it by hand. So my fish is washed and drained and I've just put it into a plate, and my mum said that we're going to get the spice mix ready in a bowl and then we're going to apply that delicious masala paste to the fish. So I've ground up the garlic and the chilies here.
Yeah. Put it in
all
the
of
bowl.
it?
Yeah, all of it.
Okay. Yeah. So what are we adding in here?
Half a spoon haldi.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is a quarter of a teaspoon. Yeah. All right. Okay, quarter.
Yeah.
And of course you can add more if you like it spicy.
Yeah. Dhana jiru.
Okay.
2 spoon dhana jiru. Barin nak. Ye vadare જોઈએ nak.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. That's enough.
Okay, so 3 teaspoons of coriander-cumin powder.
Yeah. Now,
pepper.
Pepper.
Okay.
Black pepper.
So I'm going to grind it in a pestle and mortar. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So a good teaspoon of whole peppercorn, and I'm just going to crush it fresh.
Yeah.
Okay, so coarsely ground, not too fine.
Not too fine.
Okay, so we're going to put that in there.
Yeah.
And freshly ground pepper is so tasty, no?
Yeah.
Especially with fish.
Now,
okay, you tell me how much, Mum.
2 spoons.
2 tablespoons?
Yeah. That's enough.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now salt.
1 teaspoon?
Now 1 to nahi chalse. 2.
2 teaspoons?
Yeah.
So good, and my salt is really salty, you know?
Okay.
I'm going to put a little bit less than 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
Yeah,
1
maybe
and a half.
1 3/4, yeah, or 1 1/2.
Right,
Okay.
now mix everything.
Mix it together. Lemon juice in here?
Yeah.
Or not?
Yes, lemon juice also.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It will do bottle or fresh one. So 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And we should taste it now before applying it to the fish.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just mix it in.
Taste it and tell me. You going to taste it?
You taste it and I'll taste it too.
Okay.
I think it's perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
Amazing.
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, good. So now we're just going to apply this to the fish.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. I'll do it by hand.
Yeah, it's better.
Because we have to get it on both sides, ne?
Yeah, yeah. એટલે બધા આપી દે પછી વધે તો થોડું રવા દેજે તો પછી એમાં નાખી દેશું.
Oh, in the curry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So just coat each piece, ne?
Yeah. And if it more, then leave it for the salt.
For the sauce. Sauce, yeah. So now we let this sit.
Yeah. Let it sit for 10 minutes.
Okay. So I've got 1 tablespoon of the chickpea flour here. I'm putting it into a small bowl.
Yeah.
1 tablespoon is good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And water.
And water. And Mum said to make a smooth slurry from this.
With a spoon.
And why is that, Mum?
Because under એમાં રસોમાં ગાંઠા નહીં થઈ જાય ને. That's
okay.
why.
So you mix this beforehand so that you don't get lumps in the sauce, but also this helps thicken the sauce.
Yeah.
It makes
and tastes also nice.
Okay. I'm going to actually use my fingers to break up these lumps because it's actually
that's
quite...
why we put water and melt it first.
Yeah, you definitely have to like pre-mix this.
Yeah.
Okay, so now everything is ready. So now, Mum, if we wanted to fry the fish,
you can fry
a
few pieces if you like to fry pieces. You can eat in starter.
Okay.
And you also can make a patio. Curry.
Okay.
You see?
And the fried fish that you make from this, you've got to have your pan really hot and then shallow fry it, and it's so good. And cod tastes nice like that.
And put lemon top of it.
Lemon juice on top. But plaice also tastes very good.
Very good.
Yeah, my husband's favorite.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So now we can start making the sauce and then add the fish to it.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got a shallow pan for this, and traditionally Patio is always made in a shallow pan like this. So I'm going to start the heat on a medium heat.
Yeah.
All right, so how much oil, Mum, you tell me, and I'll keep going.
Yeah.
1 more?
Yeah.
4 tablespoons, which is about a 1/4 cup.
Yeah.
We're going to just let the oil heat up for a few minutes. Once the oil's heated up for a few minutes, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. And fish and fenugreek seeds go really well together.
Yeah.
So we just want to make this a little bit red, ne?
Yeah.
So it's just slowly starting to go red now. You definitely don't want this to burn. So add the tomatoes? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so it's 1 whole can of tomatoes in here.
Yeah, પછી પાણી લઈ લેજે.
Yeah. give that a mix.
Yeah, when it's getting hot, then you can put masala inside.
Oh, so don't add the spices yet.
Yeah. Let it be hot first.
Okay. Now it's come to a bit of a boil, so I'm going to add the remaining spice that we put on the fish.
Yeah.
I'm just going to put that all in here. This is the slurry that I made with the besan or chickpea flour.
Yeah.
And we're going to add that in here and mix it in.
Yeah. And also બધાને ધોઈને પાણી નાખી દેજે.
Okay.
હાફ પછી થવા દે.
Okay, so I put some water into the masala bowl to get all the remaining spices. And Mum said I need tomato paste in here, so
that's enough.
One tablespoon?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we need more salt or masala in here, Mum?
Because we put some masala, ne? Maybe you need a little salt, but you taste it and find out.
Okay.
That's why I said 2 teaspoons.
I see, because I definitely think we're going to need that other like quarter or half a teaspoon that I said no, let's not put it in. Okay.
So after you taste it and put more salt if you want to.
I see. So this sauce is not like ultra spicy.
Yeah.
The fish is going to be spiced up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let everything been cooked and then taste, and if it's salt less, then you can put it.
Okay. Shall I cover it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to let this simmer for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so this has been simmering for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we didn't add a lot of spices in here, and only the spice that was remaining from the fish. So it's actually very, very simple. But you're saying add the fish and then we can taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, and you want to make sure the sauce is cooked because fish doesn't take long to cook, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so...
But it doesn't take long to cook.
Yeah, it
anyway.
doesn't. Should I put it in?
Yeah, you can put
Okay.
it back inside.
Put it in by hand because you don't want it to spatter everywhere.
Little water we
Great.
put up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think we need some water in here too, but I want to scrape all this delicious spice in there too. Okay, you tell me, because it looks a little bit thick right now. Yeah? And stir it very gently.
Yeah.
Just to make sure the fish is all covered with the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to let that simmer.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's been simmering for a few minutes, and let's give it a look. Oh, looks good, Mum.
Good, ne?
You stir it very gently. You don't want to poke around too much, otherwise you will break the fish.
Yeah.
I think the fish is not cooked yet.
Yeah.
Because I can still see it's not completely white. So I'm going to let it cook a bit longer. The sauce looks good, or... Yeah, it looks good actually.
Taste it.
Yeah, I want to taste it, but I want to make sure the fish is kind of cooked inside, so I'll give it another few minutes.
Yeah.
Looks really nice though.
Good.
Alright, so now it's definitely done. Okay, let's taste it, Mum.
Yeah. How is it?
Oh my god. It's perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's really good.
Good. So, lemon ne બધું?
Everything.
Good.
It's just perfect.
Okay, then
We're going to turn it off.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Good.
Oh, yummy. And there you have it. The fish no patio, or the fish curry, is ready, and it is so simple and so delicious. The only thing left we need to do is to garnish it with some coriander. And Mum, this is your mother-in-law's recipe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this recipe is very traditional and authentic, and it's from generations, so it's an excellent recipe, trust me. I hope you do try this recipe out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.
Thank you.
So So nice.
Mm.
Mm. Who is it, Lando? Is it Nanny?
Hey, Lando.
He gets so excited
Yeah,
when he
I
sees
know. Look at this.
Come on, Bobby. Come on.
Good.